Alright students, in step number 3, we're going to show in this video how to draw the top view. Going to page 129 in your textbook, you can see here, this will be the completed picture. Again, what we have here is our 3D image of our clock. We have drawn the front, the right side, and now we're looking at the top view. You can see in the top view that the width between the front and the top is shared. In this case, the top view also uses the depth, and we'll show how to use orthographic projection to be able to draw that properly. Our finished product will look like this. You'll see again, here are my front and right side, and here will be the top. This is when we speak of orthographic projection is what we're mentioning. Let's go ahead and start. It's important to keep the distances equal. So because this drawing is 4 blocks away from this corner, I'm going to keep this one also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have that as my starting point. Place another dot at the corner equal to the width over here going straight up. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw a line representing the width for the top of my alarm clock. The depth is already determined for me over here. It's the units of 6 inches. So I'm going to come up and finish the top view. At this point, all we need to do is add in the featured elements that are seen from the top view. That would be the knobs for the clock and also the snooze bar. Here's how we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead and draw a 45-degree line starting here at the corner and going diagonally through the corners of our graph paper. What this is going to allow us to do is to project at a 90-degree angle the features that are drawn here on the right side. Let's watch. I'm going to take my ruler and place it here on the outer edge of my first knob, and all I'm going to do is make a dashed line that's going to go up to the diagonal line. Now I'm going to turn my ruler 90 degrees and I'm going to repeat the process of moving it over. This is the proper location of my knob. I'm going to repeat it for the other side. As you can see, I've transferred the depth of the knob over and onto the top view. Now, to determine the width of my knob, I'm going to use my ruler, placing it on the outside edge here from the front view, and then drawing down. I've accurately projected the location and the width of my knob here on the top view by using the right side and front views. I'm going to repeat the process here on the other knob and then move on to the snooze bar. So now you can see my drawing has both knobs located on the top view. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the snooze bar onto the top surface. You can see that this dotted line already represents the outside edge here of my snooze bar, so I'm going to use that and carry that into the middle. Again, all I'm going to do is make some light lines that I'll use for construction, and I'll come back afterwards and darken them in. Now I have a series of lines up here that I can use. Again, I'm going to transfer my width from my front view to determine my overall size. You see, by erasing those extra lines, I now have a clearly defined snooze bar located on the top. Using orthographic projection allows me to take accurately the depth location of my items and transpose them onto the top view. The combination of using the front and the right side allows me to get a complete picture on the top. I hope this was helpful, and good luck in drawing other items in the future.